So you can see here, customer got sideswiped here. He also got a bunch of damage up here. We're going to pull back the actual bumper here, and we're going to see how the film held up and what it protected. Nothing. No damage whatsoever here. Like, the film is pretty well scored. You can see it through here, up here, nothing. So obviously this has got damage here. Impact damage, they're gonna have to repair it. There's some scuffing here. Actually, this may just be, yeah, this is leftover adhesive. So there is almost no paint damage here whatsoever. There's some scuffing. I think this may clean up. There's like adhesive residue here, but like this is phenomenal. This is what's up, man. KAVACA Ceramic Coated Paint Protection Film, man. This stuff is the truth. No damage whatsoever on the bumper. Look at that. This was all scraped through here. That's impressive. That is very, very impressive. We got majority of the adhesive off, and it looks like there's no real paint damage. So he may get away with no painting whatsoever. He got super lucky. And that's all because of KAVACA Ceramic Coated PPF. This stuff works if you want to protect your car. I'm not sure how else I can put it other than KAVACA Ceramic Coated PPF is like the real deal. Like, there's no breached paint on this. It's miraculous.